Most nannies are making anywhere from $25 to maybe $35 an hour. But there's a group of caregivers quietly making $400, $500, even $700 a day working with newborns. And the crazy part is, you don't need a degree to do it. If you're a nanny, CNA, or caregiver, you've probably felt this at some point. You love what you do, but the pay doesn't always match the level of care, responsibility, and energy you're putting in. Long hours, limited growth, and feeling like there's no real next level in your career. We hear this all the time. But there is a next level. It's called becoming a newborn care specialist, sometimes referred to as a baby nurse. And this is one of the highest paying roles in childcare right now. And the demand keeps growing as more families become aware of the benefits and the specialized care available for their family. Newborn care specialists work with families during the first few weeks or months after a baby is born. You're helping with things like establishing sleep routines, feeding support, soothing techniques, and creating structure for both baby and parents. A lot of these roles are overnight positions, which is why they pay significantly more. But there is also a need for daytime hours as well, since some families want qualified newborn help during waking hours. Let's talk numbers. Many newborn care specialists are earning $40 to $60 or more per hour, depending on the location and training. And these are often short-term contracts, which means you can take brief breaks between assignments, choose your schedule, and grow your income much faster. This is where a lot of nannies are transitioning when they want to level up, and our students are loving their new careers. Now you might be thinking, do I need medical training? Do I need a degree? And the answer is no. But you do need proper training, knowledge, and certification to understand newborn care at a professional level, confidently work with families, and position yourself for higher paying opportunities. And this is exactly where ICT Infant Care Training Academy comes in. This is one of the most established and trusted training programs in the country for newborn care specialist certification. Since 2008, they've trained thousands of caregivers, nannies, and aspiring professionals who are now working with families across the U.S. and beyond. What makes this program different is that it's designed to prepare you for real-world newborn care and real job opportunities. You can complete the training online from anywhere or attend one of their in-person hands-on workshops in New York City. So whether you want flexibility or a more immersive experience, you have options. If you're serious about learning more, you can visit infantcaretraining.com to see full program details, certification options, and registration for both online and in-person training. We've seen students go from babysitting or entry-level nanny roles to working as professional newborn care specialists, earning significantly more and building careers they're actually proud of. If you've been thinking about how to make more money, grow in your career, or take what you're already doing to the next level, this could be a really smart move. You can go to infantcaretraining.com to explore the program, see what's included, and decide if it's the right fit for you based on your goals and schedule. This is one of those opportunities that most people don't even realize exists, but once you do, it can completely change your path and your life.